The next app on the list is the heart rate. And this is a simple app which measures your heart rate during the day. Now, if you go back to the app, and here in the list you can see heart rate. Tap here, you have some options here. For example, continuous monitoring is set to smart. You can set this to every minute. That means that every minute your heart rate is going to be measured, every 10 minutes, every 30 minutes, and you can set it to off. If you set it to off, then you can just measure it manually with the watch whenever you want. Of course, all of this, keep in mind that when it measures, the more it measures, the more battery will waste. The second thing on the list is heart rate alarms. For example, you can set here, if my heart rate goes above 140 beats per minute, notify me. You can do the same for the low heart rate. So for example, 40 beats per minute, you will get now notifications with the smartwatch. So these are the settings for the heart rate app.